Sinetech was started in 1995, primarily focused in those days on solar and a bunch of UPSs, and we've tried to grow it into a full-service renewable energy company. So we play more in the commercial and industrial space as well as the residential space. We have workshops where we do repairs down to board levels. We have a service division which we know as Omnitech, and they provide a suite of 8 services which are complementary to our products. The company really likes to innovate. We like to be bringing in new and differentiated products that give you a better bang for your buck. That's ultimately what our installers and what our customers ultimately want. We have a panel that is actually made up of chemicals. So it uses copper, indium, gallium and selenide, and what happens is it creates a chemical reaction in the panel. The beauty of this technology, whilst it's not as cheap as polycrystalline and monocrystalline, is that it's much more tolerant to heat. This technology works. It works particularly well. I think there's a massive education gap that we need to bridge. We have a training program, obviously internally for our own people. We have a training facility here where we train external people. The message that we're always trying to get out there is you can start today with something that's comparatively small, and you can grow it, and if needs be, we can even do some kind of a rental program if that suits your pocket a little better.